Rwanda Finance Limited, a company owned by the government of Rwanda, whose primary responsibility is to develop and promote what is known as Kigali International Financial Center. Such corporations in different countries where they exist are taxed to promote cross-border trade and investment and advocate for services to suit the needs of global investors, as explained by Shehzad Nudari, a Mauritian investor in Rwanda.
Mauritius had three main classic pillars of the economy. We have the sugar sector, industrial sector, and the manufacturing sector, whereas government can benefit from more revenue. Also, the government can have a better pool of human resource, more qualified human resource. And the last main reason, there are other reasons of course, is it helps in reducing the deficit in the balance of trade of the economy. So these are the four main reasons why Mauritius set up the offshore sector some 20 or 30 years back.
Mauritius ranks among the 20 best places to do business worldwide, according to the latest World Bank Ease of Doing Business Report 2020, issued on 24th October 2019. The country remains first in Africa. Dr. Hafashimana Emmanuel, an economics professor, explains the relevance of Rwanda Finance Limited in relation to Rwanda's vision.
For any foreign investor to bring their money in the country requires a number of things. Rwanda is among 3 countries in Africa whose economy has been growing at an average rate of 8% for the last 12 years. The country is second in Africa in the latest World Bank Ease of Doing Business report, second in Africa to receive the highest number of international conferences and meetings, ranks among the 2 in being secure, while authorities have waived visa requirements and made it easy for travelers to visit Rwanda.
In an email sent to RBA, Adelit Nsabimana, technical advisor of Rwanda Finance Limited, expounds more on the purpose of this cooperation and expected benefits.
Rwanda Finance Limited was created by the government of Rwanda to promote and develop Kigali as a regional business and financial hub through fostering cross-border and trade investment. The company advocates for the highest regulatory standards and the most attractive products and services to suit the needs of global investors and financial institutions. Among the primary projects this company is working on includes developing and promote what is known as Kigali International Financial Center, KIFC, whose responsibility is to advocate for the highest regulatory standard to suit the need of global investors and increase capacities where necessary. One of the expected benefits of this project is to increase the contribution of financial institutions to the national GDP to 10% in the next 10 years, increasing employment opportunities for the Rwandans in the financial sector, and also increase foreign direct investment and reduce loan interest rates.
Analysts say that for Rwanda to benefit from this initiative, regulations and policies have to be further streamlined to facilitate the company to attract global investors and big financial institutions.
Having
a financial center means that money will be kept here. That means growth of financial markets in Rwanda, which will benefit the country and the region in terms of investment and skills development in the service sector. If a small country like Mauritius can attract financial services from big multinational corporations, we too should be aiming for that, to have headquarters of big financial institutions. There is a growing trend of what is called dirty money around the world. That is why Rwanda needs standard regulations to avert that unlawful trade. Investors should be vetted to ensure transparency.
On Wednesday, November 11, the cabinet appointed a 7-member board of Rwanda Finance Limited, led by Tijan Tiam, a renowned Ivorian banker, who is the immediate former chief executive officer of the Swiss bank Credit Suisse. Other members of the board include Louise Kanyonga, Diko Jacob Mukete, Alice Namitondero, Liban Solem Abdi, Umuringa Karangwa, and Julian Kavaruganda.